Take a ride in the 2020 Toyota Mirai. Toyota Mirai runs solely on hydrogen and its only emissions are water. It's environmentally friendly with a great driving range and is a pleasure to drive. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.